My name's Jim. I'm one of the techs at White Rock Dodge. And today on Hammie's Hellcat, we're going to install the lowering springs and we're going to put some new rims and tires on there. Alright. Okay, we're going to take 3 shock tower bolts off first. Cover, and we're going to go up. Okay, there's a sensor. I'm not sure if you want to see this for the shock, which we're going to take off because this one has a special sensor here. And it's just hidden in behind that guy there. Just tuck him so he's safe. Okay, upper control arm. This guy here. You can leave it loose a little bit, and then I hit it with a hammer without scratching the paint. That's it. Off it goes. Tie it up. Then we're going to do the sway bar link, and that is a 21. Okay. And the lower strut mount is our next one. That's it. Okay. Awesome, man. So now we go over to the coil spring compressor, which is on the wall. I always mark things just so I can orient them for the future, right? So that's the front. I try and put a little marker on there so I know where everything is when it comes apart. This is the beast. Might take a little bit to set up. Gotta find the happy place. Alright, we're gonna compress the spring here. See how it goes. Just enough that we can see it separating. A little more. And we're going to take the nut off the tower, so I'll go grab a gun. That's that. Down. I'm going to swap the spring, so we're going to take the pressure off. Okay, I'm going to go grab the other spring. We'll just keep this organized. This comes off. Be transferred. Nice and blue. Okay, the other thing you need to do is orient your spring to the crack there. I'm not sure if you see that. Do you see that from there? The springs have a notch, right? See that there? This guy here, that's your orientation, right? So you want to make sure those line up when you put them back on the top here. Put that in like that. See the point? Okay. Same thing, it's got an orientation mark there. It's got that there, and then we marked it as well, so. Okay. Now I'm gonna compress. I'll just get it started. Once I get enough on there, I'll just put the nut on. Since we're using the old nut, better put some Loctite on it. Be right back. Okay, I'm just gonna compress it some more. Make sure everything lines up. Okay. Shock to shock. Again. Snug her up. That's it. Give that a whirl. See what happens. Okay, see the three towers? See they're closer at the back and there's a bigger gap at the front. That's what we're trying to achieve here. Same thing, making sure that faces forward, lined up with that. Okay. Let's sneak this back in. Just gonna lower it a little bit. So I'm going to start a bolt at the top. Start them by hand, so it stays there. Go back up. Okay. Not quite centered. Long bolt. Suspension, Loctite. Anything to do with steering and suspension, it's always best to put Loctite on it. Don't want to kill anybody, especially your boss. Won't be a paycheck then. Start at the hand, couple turns. Same thing off the upper ball joint. Pop some on there. Take that off. I usually grab a pry bar because I can't. Oh, maybe. Press it. Turns on there. Okay. Now we just tighten everything up. I usually stick a pry bar in the top so it doesn't rotate as I tighten it. Keep the pressure on the ball joint. Sure we're going the right way. Snug it up. This guy. One more lower tower. That's that. Plug the wire back in. Make sure your routing's proper. Doesn't hit the tire. So here, click. All good. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down. That's it. One side done.